In this video, we're going to show you how to install the knock sensor on your Ford 500, located on the back side of the engine near the firewall. Using an 8mm wrench or a socket, go ahead and loosen the nut on the ground terminal. Once that's loose, give it a little wiggle and work that off. Now, reaching up above the passenger side drive axle here, we're now going to gain access to the knock sensor by reaching up underneath the back side of the engine here. You're going to go up and over to the heat shield. Here is a knock sensor underneath here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the center bolt holding that. We're going to leave the electrical harness attached to it. We can disconnect that afterwards. It's much easier to do that once this is disconnected. Using our 3/8 ratchet extension and a 10mm socket. Reach up in there. Gotta remove that bolt. Grab the whole unit and pull that out. Now that we have the knock sensor pulled out with the harness, it gives us a lot better access to it. There's a little push clip right here. We're going to push in on that and pull the sensor out of the harness. Here we go. We're going to take the new knock sensor. We're going to push that in and press it in. You'll be able to hear that click and snap into place. Okay, let's go ahead and feed our knock sensor up into position. I'm going to get the bolt started by hand. Want to make sure that the sensor is facing downward. And we can go ahead and snug that bolt down. All right, next, let's go ahead and torque that down. Let's go ahead and torque this down to 15 foot-pounds. Now that we're in place, let's go ahead and install our heat shield. With that done, we can now connect the ground terminal and the battery, take the vehicle for a road test. Use your 8mm socket to go ahead and snug this down. And once that nut bottoms out, just give it a couple more turns here. You want to make sure it's good and snug, but don't over tighten it. Give that terminal a wiggle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.